What's up, you guys? Thanks for watching. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little trick that I like to do when I have absolutely no motivation to get any cleaning done. The reality is there's always something that we would rather be doing than stuck in the house cleaning, whether that's relaxing, going outside, hanging out with friends and family. But of course, things need to get done. Otherwise, your house then turns into a mess, and we definitely don't want that. So when I'm feeling this way, I will set a timer for about an hour, sometimes 30 minutes, depending on how I'm feeling. And I will just try and get as much stuff done as I possibly can. We're not trying to deep clean. We're not trying to do the most. We're literally just trying to pick up our space so that it looks a little bit more presentable. And you guys will really be surprised with how much stuff can actually get done in 1 hour. You tend to move a lot quicker because you're trying to beat the clock. So I challenge you to set your timer for an hour, 30 minutes, sometimes even 10 minutes if that's all you have, and clean along with me. So here's a look at what my home is looking like. It's not terrible, but I know that if I continue to let it stay like this, it's only going to get worse. So the goal is to tackle all of this within 1 hour so that I can then relax, go out, do whatever it is that I feel like doing, and not have to worry about having a cluttered space. All right, so it's currently 12:58, and I am actually going to set my timer for 1 hour on my watch. Got 60 minutes. 60 minutes right there. So this particular day, it was so nice out. It is really starting to feel like spring here in New Jersey. And I had some running around that I needed to get done, going to a couple of stores. But I just told myself that I am not going to let myself leave to go do the fun things that I want to do before I tackle and at least reset my home. And that's why setting the 1 hour aside is honestly one of the best things to possibly do, especially during those days when you don't want to do any cleaning, because how long is an hour? Maybe watching your favorite show, and honestly, put your favorite show on in the background while you're listening, throw some good music on, listen to a podcast, do whatever it is that you need to do to make this experience the easiest for you. Get the cleaning done, and then all you have to do is put your feet up or go out and do whatever it is that you actually want to do. So just like that, we are already finished cleaning the living room and dining area. So I'm gonna head on over to the kitchen. Thankfully, there wasn't a pile full of dishes in the sink, because that's typically how this thing goes. Like, I just let dishes pile up, and then I'm just like, why did I do that? I should have just been, you know, cleaning as I go type of thing. But I did do a little bit of meal prepping a couple of days prior, so I needed to hand wash my cast iron skillet, and I think there were a couple of like maybe cups and dishes that were in the sink. So we're just going to quickly hand wash those. It made no sense to unload the dishwasher, and honestly, I think there were actually dishes in the dishwasher, but we're trying to save on time now. So I'm not going to waste any time unloading a dishwasher with clean dishes just to add like 2 or 3 items into it.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. You give me this energy. It is like you set me free.
Since adding this shelf into the kitchen, it has created more storage space for me. However, I haven't really quite figured out how I want to style the whole thing. I do want it to look pretty nice, but I also need it to be functional as well. And the only thing that I have placed up here are all of our like cutting boards. I ran out of room where I keep all of the things I use to make smoothies. So I put that stuff up there. That's just a temporary spot for right now. And then we also decided to do a little bit of planting. Riley always likes to do that around the springtime. So I have just put those up there as well. It gets some nice sunlight during the day. But if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Like, how do you typically style like your kitchen shelves? I don't want to just add a bunch of stuff up there just to say I put stuff up there. Again, I do need it to also be functional.
Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easy. Follow me into the night without
So by this time, I think we have maybe about 15 to 20 minutes max left, and I am really trying to move. I knew I needed to tackle Riley's room, so I wanted to take the time to remake her bed, just like tidy up a bit. Honestly, it really hasn't been too crazy or out of order because, like I told you guys, it has been so nice. So she has spent a majority of her time playing outside, which I absolutely love because there's less mess and clutter left in our home. But I do just need to tidy the space up a bit. I did also want to clean the bathroom, so I'm trying to move a little bit quick so that I can finish that, and then if I have enough time, I will spend a little bit of time cleaning up my room as well.
A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Just for motivation. Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny.
I'm not even going to lie, I was starting to run out of steam because I had been moving so quickly, just trying to get every single thing done. And I want to say I probably had maybe 5 or so minutes left. So I knew I definitely wasn't going to be able to tackle my bedroom, but I wanted to see if I could at least get the entire bathroom done. Thankfully, this bathroom is on the smaller side, so just wiping down the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and then tackling the tub was really the only thing that was top of mind on my list of things to do.
Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny, you. I can't deny, I can't deny,
All right, as you guys can see, the timer went off. I wasn't able to get everything done off of my list, but my place looks so much better. We were able to tackle the living room, dining area, kitchen, Riley's room, and most of the bathroom. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. I feel as if I even like sweat out my hair just because I was moving so quick. And that is definitely one of the best things about setting a timer, because you don't take a break and you just kind of continue to keep cleaning through, and look how much stuff I was able to get done. So the only thing left I really need to do is to tidy up my room, which is not a big deal. And then I'm just gonna finish the bathtub because I've already started. I just kind of let the bleach and Comet just sit in there for a little while, so I'll clean that out. And then another day I will tackle my bedroom. It's not the biggest deal not getting every single thing done, but I do feel as if I got a decent amount of stuff tackled today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you made it this far, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys right back here in my next video.
Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my